I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select SendFox. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get Client Auth Token, please visit SendFox Access Token. Then click on Create New Token. Give a name of your access token. Then click on Create. Copy the access token. And paste it here. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create Contact. Then select a list from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to SendFox. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to SendFox. Then go to your desired contact list. Here is the data that came into SendFox through the integration. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for watching.